Hello. So I want to walk down this way along Muindibingu all the way to Kencom. I'll give you an update on the major upgrades around Kencom. So I want to walk down here as I show you some parts of the city as I head down to the center of the city called Kencom. So these are some of the parts of the city center. So these are the most, I would say, the best places, best area of the city. Count the streets. Cardinal Otunga Street, all that way going up. So I'm approaching City Hall. This is the City Hall annex on my right. So this is where you get your licenses for trading, for business. Nairobi City County Government Customer Service Center, City Hall. All these buildings, all the way up. So this is the City Hall. I want to take the left side on Mamangina Street. It's interesting to be here in a long time actually. So let's keep going. Let's keep going until those other places where the place I'm heading to give you update on the new upgrades around Kencom. So I'm on the left side. I want to cross on the other side, and I want to start showing you the upgrades. So I want to start around this roundabout all the way to Kencom on this side. So you can see where they started the improvements. They've installed a lot of new cabros. Last time I just showed you a small part of it around Kencom, but I'm going to cover some extensive area. I'm going to cover an extensive area today, so this is what the video is all about. So I want to cross to the other side and continue. So you can see the fantastic walk down. Wow. So even the flowers. And the beautiful lights are on this side also. So there's free water there you can drink. So Kencom looks fantastic. Goes all the way to Moi Avenue on that side, and a bit when you cross the road on the other side. It's still in progress, as you can see. There's a lot of work to be done. So let me go to the other side of Moi Avenue quickly and show you beautiful lights up here and the trees. This side is so busy, you can't even see it very well. But it's done all the way until the end of this block. So this is how people are going home now. Evening, going back home after work. Okay. I'm standing here in the middle of this place. I don't know where there is archives up there. So down. And all the men red Valentine stuff are out for everybody to see and buy. If you go to the other side of archives, the frontal part.
Nossa, acho que é muito fácil. Finally, let me say bye. Let me sign out from here and say thank you.